Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be attempting the LDO Catch a Tiny Whoop in One Hand Challenge. Let's Drone Out is a weekly podcast at 8 PM UK time on a Thursday, and I'll put some links in the below if you want to get involved. So let's give this thing a go. Oh man. Now it's difficult for me because I'm a mode 1 flyer. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. Let's put the hand out. Oh. Maybe it's coming forward a little bit too quick. What I've done is I've put a trimmer on so it comes slowly forward, and then that's a bit too quick. So let's try this. No, didn't work. Just try a little bit slower. Hello, camera. Okay. It's all about getting the height right. I've done it! Disarm! And there you go. That is my attempt. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.